Hey everybody, so today we're going to be doing a very special video review on something I think y'all are going to love. The BRK CO5120B carbon monoxide alarm. So this is one of the ultra rare carbon monoxide alarms that, as far as I'm aware, I'm the only person to own. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Sadly, the horn does not work, but let's show the manufacturing date. So, manufactured July 6th or July 8th, 2002. And as you can see, the electrician used a pen to circle over it, because he was trying to tell me that I need to replace my smoke alarms every 10 years. So yeah, let's give this a test. Alrighty, so now I'm going to show you guys a really cool thing. Get a couple hardwire harnesses, and yes, we're going to test the interconnecting on this. Even though I do not have other hardwired carbon monoxide alarms, I've got something we can interconnect it with. The 4120B first gen. So let's plug these in. I'm going to wire these up, and we're going to test them on the interconnecting. And the AC power on this does not work either, so we're not gonna test it on AC power today. But if the AC power did work, the red LED would stay illuminated at all times. Let's see. Am I getting this wired properly? Okay, let's see. Drats. Alrighty, Alrighty. Here we go. And yes, it will set off smoke alarms on an interconnecting, which is awesome. Pretty cool. I like it. Let's do that again. So yes, the interconnecting does work on this carbon monoxide alarm. And the really cool thing is, it will set off smoke alarms on an interconnecting. I love that feature. Now, I read an instruction manual for this, and it said that it can only set off other CO5120Bs. But I experimented with that and found that information that the instruction manual gave was the wrong information. So yeah, because it will set off other smoke alarms on an interconnecting, which is really cool. I like it. Let's give it a thumbnail test. And sadly, the horn does not work on this. I really wish it did. can barely hear it, it goes off in code 4. So yeah, I like this alarm a lot. It's a really special alarm, and it has a story behind it. So this was originally in my house when I moved in, and I took it down in 2009 because it didn't work. I noticed it was making a faint chirp sound, and it was blinking like every second. It would blink and give a tiny chirp, letting me know that, and it was rather annoying. So I took it down because I felt suspicious that it didn't work. And then I got this crappy First Alert CO614 carbon monoxide alarm. I got this to replace this, and this died on me after about 4 years of use. It said end of life. These were supposed to last 7 or 10 years, but instead this lasted only 4 years. And the manufacturing date on this one is October 1st, 2009. So yeah. And then in 2018 I got a KNCOPE-IC. So yep. And then so the setup. The CO5120B was on a wire box to the right. And then there was a 4120B to the left. So that specific 4120B is long gone. It had a corroded battery, so I didn't really know I got rid of it. But I have 6 out of 9 of the 4120Bs that used to be in my house. These will be in their own video review. So yeah, pretty neat. Alrighty, well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.